vertex form.
Identify the axis of symmetry, the extrema, and the zeros. Write any zero from least to greatest. Okay. All right. Well, I feel like you know at least 60 or 70% of this problem already. Let me copy this problem over to the whiteboard and we'll work on it. Hang on. Oh, we're running out of room. We write all over the place. All right. Let's go here in this corner. Okay.
I need that.
Okay, so let's switch this into vertex form. First, what we're gonna do here. We got x squared plus 8x plus 7. Let's set it equal to 0 for now, okay? Now, for this to be a perfect square, though, what does this last number have to be?
That's a good question. It has to be 3.5.
No, it's not. It's not 3.4. Don't guess.
And 5.
No, for this to be a perfect square, what does the last number have to be? What does the constant of this have to be? We just did like 5 problems like this, remember?
Wait.
We take the middle number, which is b.
3.5.
No, we take the middle number, which is b, right? Divide it by 2 and square it, remember?
Well, that'll be 4.
Right? So it will be 8 divided by 2, which is going to be 4, yes? But then we have to square it, which is going to be
16.
We want the last number, the constant, to be 16, but we have 7 right now.
So add what's 16? Add 9.
Add 9. So we're going to add 9 to both sides, right? You follow me there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I add 9 to both sides, I'm going to have what? You're trying to jump the gun here. Don't jump the gun. You're trying to run ahead of the train right now. And you're gonna mess up. You doing, I see your mistake that you're doing in your head. Just do one step at a time. Follow the step. Okay, right now we're not gonna try to solve anything yet. We're gonna try to write it in vertex form. That's all we're gonna do. Okay? We're not solving what x is equal to yet. Just get in vertex form first. We'll do that after.
So like that.
Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. So, what can you factor this into?
Like that.
Huh?
Like that.
No, it's not x plus 8 times x plus 8. That would be an incorrect factor. Because that would be x squared plus 16 plus 64. 16x was...
Wait.
Right? So that's not it. Okay, beautiful. That's what I'm looking for. Okay? Alright. Okay. Okay, so now you're not solving, so don't solve. I don't want you to solve right now. Stop. No solving. Okay, we're gonna write it in vertex form right now, so we don't solve. Okay? We leave the solving step later. So x plus 4 times x plus 4, we can rewrite it as x plus 4 squared, right? And the 9 on the other side.
Wait, why does it say it's negative right here?
Okay. Just wait, hang on. Take it one step slowly. We're gonna figure it out. So this is x plus 4 squared, right? You follow me there?
Yeah.
Because it's the same thing. I'm gonna bring the 9 over here. Minus 9 equals 0. You follow me there?
Mm-hmm.
But instead of equals 0, let's just... So this is now in vertex form. Let's just write it in vertex form like this. X plus 4 square minus 9. That's vertex form right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's see how we're gonna fill this in here. Let's see how we're gonna transfer this in there. So y equal... Well, there's nothing in front of the parentheses, so we're gonna put 1 instead. Okay. So the 1 is gonna be in this first square right here. So 1. We want it to be plus 4, but they put a minus, so we're gonna put a minus 4 here. because minus minus 4 is going to be a plus 4.
Okay.
You follow me there?
Yeah.
And then instead of plus 9, just put minus 9 there. And that should be it for vertex form.
And then axis is an arbitrary x equals 4.
Axis of symmetry. How do you know what the axis of symmetry is for?
Because this is the equation.
Axis of symmetry should be negative b over 2a. So negative b over 2a is
B over 2a equals
negative b over 2a
number 4.
would be negative 8 over 2.
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
That's what I'm saying. Negative 4.
Right. Is it negative 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless it's minimum. Extreme minimum at the blank. So negative 4 times 2 is 6.
So your extrema, which is your vertex, is going to be where your vertex, which is this is the x value of the vertex, right? Negative b over 2a give you the x value of the vertex, which is the x value of your extrema. So you gotta plug negative 4 back into your main equation. So you got 16 minus 32 plus 7. Negative b
equals negative 9. So 4, negative 9. Negative 4, negative 9. Like that.
16 minus 32 is negative 16. Plus 7 is negative 9. Yeah. So that'd be negative 9. This is negative 4, negative 9. Okay. You got it. Okay, now for the zeros, though. For the 0, you got to solve the equation. So for the 0, you put x plus 4 squared equal 9, right? So for the 0, you got to solve the equation. You got to square root both sides, right? Go for it.
How do you square root?
Well, you keep making a mistake, though. Square root of 9 is going to be what?
3.
Close.
4.
Oh, we did like 4 problems. Come on. Square root of 9 is... there you go. That's what I'm looking for. Good job.
Brother.
Plus or minus 3, right? And here you have x plus 4 equal plus or minus 3. You split into 2 equations. Go for it. I feel like I do most of the writing here. What the heck? You're supposed to solve the problem.
What?
Okay, next problem. You do all the writing. I'm not writing down for you anymore.
But you know, you hate it when I write straight.
Because you write so sloppy.
You
You should write better. It's okay though. It depends on. Are you writing on a mouse or a trackpad?
Mouse.
Oh, then it should be better. Like on a computer trackpad, I would understand if it can be sloppy.
No, trackpad eat. Oh, I don't have it. I hate.
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't have that much control. I don't have a lot of space for my mouse.
I don't know. I don't know.
Negative 7, negative 1.
Is it right? Let's see.